morning, everyone. Come hang out with me. We're getting a late start to the day, so one of my kids is still sleeping, the other one is waking up. So I decided to make like a little bigger breakfast, have some pancake, eggs, bacon, stuff like that, and show you guys our deluxe grill and griddle, which is $100 off right now. So let me know if you guys are watching this live, or let me know if you're watching this replay. And I would love to know today, what is your favorite breakfast item? What is your go-to breakfast item that you love? Okay, so we are going to insert our plates. So I have a griddle plates right here. It actually comes with both plates. Okay, so you get the grill and the griddle plates when you purchase this. Okay, so we're going to insert these griddle plates right here. Oops, about to fall over here. And these are the grill plates, which are the ones I just made burgers in the other day. We like to use for paninis. I use this for my grilled chicken, my steaks, stuff like that, right? So the deluxe grill and griddle is on sale for $100 off. And if you come in VIP, or if you go to my link tree in my bio and you join my cooking community, you will get an extra discount as well. So it's like the deal of a century, really. Okay, so we're gonna put these away. I only have so much space in my little kitchen, so let me put these away. Move those to the side, and what I'm gonna do, since I want to use both surfaces, right? So you could grill like this, you can, adjust the lever here, set it high, set it low, set it however you want, but we are going to actually turn this flat, and hopefully my cable here will last. The struggle, so there's a little lever right here. When you push the lever, you get to completely lay your griddle as flat as you want, okay? And then we're just gonna literally push the griddle button, okay? And this is preheating, and we can get everything ready. So while this preheats, let me know if there's any questions. Let me know if there's any questions about this griddle, okay, or any of our other power tools. And just let me know again, what is your favorite thing that you like to have for breakfast? We're gonna fry up some eggs. We're gonna make some pancakes. I already made the pancake batter in our pancake shaker, and this one is available while supplies last, or it is going away by the end of the month. So I like to use it because it's simple. You just add your milk, flour, salt, baking powder, and sugar, and an egg. And then the top, this little lid here, is a measuring spoon. So it's designed for all those ingredients, okay? And the other thing I like to do, it is non-stick, but there's something about frying an egg in butter, you know what I mean? So I like to use our corn Cob Butterer, okay? It's like the most tiniest item. I think it's a couple dollars. You can check it in my bio. It's a corn butterer. And you push this down, right? You see it's got like a little, oh my God, Claudia, English, a little, I don't know, half circle, okay? So if you're actually using this on corn, it's like perfect for corn, but I actually like to use it to put butter on anything else I need. So it works right now for our deluxe grill and griddle. So we're just gonna butter it up. Again, you don't have to, but I find that it does help with pancakes. It just tastes different, right? And then it's got like a little cover. So now this little butter can go in your fridge. It's the most underrated Pampered Chef product that nobody ever talks about, but it's so cool to have in your fridge. Great for holiday stocking stuffers, all right? Awesome for holiday stocking stuffers. Okay, so this, while it's preheating, we're gonna wait for the eggs and the pancakes. So I'm going to throw in some bacon. We're gonna throw some bacon on this side. Starting to sizzle a little bit. I know, don't judge. I actually love turkey bacon, okay? Let me know, are you team real bacon or team turkey bacon? I don't know, it's less greasy. It's got like, for me, it's got more of a texture and a crunch than actual bacon. If I do eat real bacon, it better be like super cooked, like almost burnt, because I like it extra. I like it extra crunchy. The other thing you can do too is you can actually use this to toast your bread. Okay, let's see if we can squish 2 slices in here. So like, it's like a giant cooking surface, okay? We went through a kitchen reno a couple of years ago, and this was like a lifesaver. It's literally like a stovetop, right? Pretty much. So, and a pan. So let me know if you guys have any question. Team real bacon. Okay, is that a butter holder? Yeah, so it's a corn Butterer, okay? It's like a couple dollars. You can check it out in the link tree in my bio. It's got like a little lid right here. So your butter slides out. Then it has this little push knob. Let me see if, I don't think I can get it out right now because it's like squished into the butter. And you stick your butter in here and then you keep pushing this down until you get rid of your butter. And then when you're done, you just refill it, wash it. So it's a corn butterer, I think, or butter holder, something like that. If you type in butter on my website, it'll pop up, okay? All right, so we're gonna start cracking some eggs as well and start cooking some pancakes. So let's do some pancakes in here. So if you had the deluxe grill and griddle, what would you use this for? Yes, you have griddle plates and you have grill plates. You can make paninis, you can custom, you can sear. You can also just use it to keep food warm. Okay, you could use it for that as well. We're gonna do a little one right here, maybe a little baby one. And we're gonna crack some eggs. Oopsie, oopsie, oops. Okay, so you can do multiple things. It's great for hibachi night. For those of you guys that know and have been following me, we lived in South Korea for 2 years, so it's great for Korean barbecue at home. Or if you're doing like raclette where you grill on the table, you could use it for that too. All right, let's salt our eggs right here. Okay, so this is sizzling. It's starting to cook. I need a little spatula. Let me go get that. What else? What else am I going to tell you? Oh, okay. So these right here are our new silicone tools. So these are actually on the inside metal. So they're reinforced metal, and then on the outside they're covered in silicone. So you kind of get both features. You get that strength of metal, but you also get that easy cleanup and sliding of silicone as well. And oops, these right here, I call these my bacon tongs, okay? But you can use them for anything. These are flat, small little kitchen tongs that you can then use to flip your bacon. It just gives you a nice little grip, and they're so easy to maneuver. Very like for little gentle things, but I use them for a lot of things. So, okay. Egg is cooking, right? All right, did you guys tell me what your favorite breakfast food is? Let's hear it. Call me undecisive, but I like both. Yeah, and I think there's a time for turkey bacon. I think there's a time for regular bacon. Kind of like there's a time for thin crust pizza, and sometimes you want thick crust pizza. I think there's a time and place for all those things, right? So absolutely agree. Okay. Again, it's $100 off right now for the deluxe grill and griddle if you go to my website, or if you go to the link tree, or you comment VIP, or you send me a message and say VIP, you'll get an additional discount because I'm doing a back to school event in my VIP group. So you can join that event for free and then get an additional discount, okay? Alrighty, let's check this out. So the key to pancakes, those of you that have been following for a while, you know I was not born and raised in the U.S. I was born and raised in Germany, so I didn't have a pancake until I moved to the U.S. So my husband always told me when you see the little bubbles come up, then you know you can flip your pancake, okay? And like I said, this spatula is a little crooked, so it kind of helps with getting into your pancakes and flipping them, okay? I'm gonna go over here, look at that. Super easy. It's fun for like Sunday morning breakfast. Kind of like a hibachi grill. You can have hibachi night at home, right? We're all about saving money. Let's see if I can crack another little egg right here and try to be as efficient as I can. Look at that. And let me know how you like your eggs. Sunny side up, scrambled, over easy. I had to learn all that lingo for eggs when I moved to the US too. Hi Sally, thanks for popping in and watching. Doesn't this look cool? I just feel like it looks very soothing. So, I like mine sunny side up. Most of my kids do too, because then you can dip your toast in it. So let's check on this toast. There we go. Get that flipped over. like these little tongs. They make it super easy to like maneuver even delicate things like bread. All right, what questions do we got today? What's happening? It is Thursday. What's going on in your neck of the woods? I'm going to take my kids today back to school shopping. So we're going to do that today, get some of that stuff done. I just heard yesterday that North Carolina is already back to school. You guys, some of you guys went back August 1st. New York doesn't go back till after Labor Day, so we got some time. We got some time left. And for those of you guys that don't know, in Europe, so when I went to school in Europe, we just get August off. None of this 3-month stuff. We just get August off. We get 4 weeks off. Every August, we packed up the car, we drove from Germany to Italy, spent all of summer in Italy pretty much, and that was our summer. And we had some more vacation in between, but we only get 4 weeks off. Did you guys know that Europe only gets 4 weeks off? Yours goes next week. Okay, Indiana is back to school. I know, so strange. But we also don't have AC in the schools here in New York. Well, some of them. So it would be really hot to go back to school in August, right? Okay, I need a plate. Oh my God, I need a plate. I need a plate. I was like, I need a plate to put this egg on because this one is done. These pancakes are done. The bacon is still crisping up. So instead of going out for breakfast, you can make your own at home. Save yourself some money, guys. If I go out to eat, it better be something that I don't know how to make at home, or somebody else makes better than me. So you will hardly ever see me go out for Italian food, or if I do go out to Italian food, I'm like never ordering pasta. Very rarely. There is a place across the street. They make their own homemade pasta. They're really good, but pasta to me is so easy that I'm not paying $20 to go eat a bowl of pasta. No, no, no. Okay, this is so satisfying. All right, let's see. What else can we take off of here? Our bacon is crisping up. We'll flip it one more time. Like I said, for some of you guys, this may be like done. I like it nice and crispy. All right, while Gigi has appeared, wanna say hi?
Hi.
Got your breakfast. You want some eggs? I got pancakes and a toast with some butter. How's that? You can also then use your butterer here, your corn butter. Did you just steal a pancake?
No.
And put some butter on your toast this way too. So see how this kind of, you push this down and it pops out the butter. Put some of that on there. Get our toast off. And there you go, right? A few seconds, breakfast is done. And you only dirtied one thing. And the plates go in the dishwasher. These plates go in the dishwasher. All right, Gigi, your breakfast is done. My other one is still sleeping. I think I'm having a pre-teenager. My son's 12. He drinks like 4 cups of milk. He eats like a man. I think I'm having... Some of my friends warned me, it's like, when you have a boy, they'll eat you out of your house. I think we're approaching that stage. That kid eats like crazy and he's like skinny. I wish I had that problem, right? I put spray butter for toast. Yeah, of course you could do that. You make your own pasta? I can make my own pasta. I don't make it a lot because, I don't know, I just try to not eat a lot of pasta, but it's super easy to make pasta. I have a video on my YouTube channel. I think I did a video by myself, and maybe I did one with my parents. Every time my parents come and visit from Italy, we make YouTube videos. So if you go to YouTube and type in Claudia's Cucina, and then you look for Claudia's Cucina pasta, you'll see homemade pasta. It's just eggs and flour, pretty much. It's super easy. All right, let's flip these pancakes here. Whee! And guys, if you see a lot of things that you want that I show from Pampered Chef, just message me. We can have a virtual party, a virtual cooking club. You just invite some friends. I demo some recipes, and it's all online. And you get to have lots of discounts, okay? So that is the best way actually to get any of our power tools. Look at that. Power tools this month, because you can get them for under $100. All right, Gigi Boo, you ready for
pancake?
Those are good pancakes?
Yeah.
All right, I'm making more. You're welcome. All right, so I like to cook all my bacon because if I don't, then it might go bad in my fridge. So we're just gonna cook this all up today. And let me know if you guys are catching this live or you're watching this later in replay. live.
Comment live when we play. You didn't say that part, so I do it for you.
Okay, thanks, Gigi. Our bacon, I think, is done over here. Throw that over there. We'll crack one more egg and then we are done. Any questions? Anything else I can answer? Hi, Amanda. Thanks for popping in live. That is some lean bacon. It's turkey bacon. It's turkey bacon, okay? And I actually, okay, I will tell you why I also hate regular bacon. And it's okay. You can love whatever you want. When I look at it and it's like 3/4 fat, I'm like, what a waste. Like, all that fat is just going to melt off. So I like the media part of the bacon, so I prefer turkey bacon. I just like the texture of it. I don't know. I just do. Okay. Oh, it's been saying add. Been missing that. Okay. So I was impatient. I didn't wait for the add button. I just started. Once I feel that it's warm, I just go for it. All right. Do you need anything? No. No, I'm just watching.
I want to poke the bubbles on the bacon so I'm going to burn myself.
You can poke them like that. You want to poke? All right, we'll make the last couple pancakes. The last egg. I got to get this egg off. Let's make a big fat one. You want the big fat one?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll crack the last egg.
Oh, Mom, it's going in the pancake.
That's all right.
It's going to be a pancake egg.
A pancake egg. Oh, that's probably good. And, oh, we gotta get this egg off. I need another plate. Gigi, take over.
Hi, everybody. I'm poking the bubbles on the bacon. 'Cause why not?
Gigi's well trained. Gigi's a paper chef baby. All she knows is Claudia doing paper chef. Been doing it for 12 years and she's 10 years old. So that's all she knows.
So Marco knows.
That's all Marco knows. It's all my kids know. Not bad though, right? Okay, so we got this. We'll put some pancakes on here for the pre-teenager whenever he decides to wake up. What time do you think Marco's going to wake up today?
11:30.
11:30? All right, we got 30 minutes. Maybe.
If we're lucky. Not probably like 12:30. That's if we wake him up.
Yeah.
He doesn't just decide to wake up on his own. He probably went to bed at like...
Yeah. Yep. Okay, our bubbles are appearing right here. Don't forget the pancake shaker blender bottle is while supplies last. It's going away at the end of the month. All right, you're going to go eat. All right, I'm going to finish this up, guys. Let me know if you have any questions. We're going to go have some breakfast. Woo! Did you flip these?
No, I was just poking bubbles.
You were just poking? Okay. I've also, a couple of days ago, we made like flatbread pizzas. You can use the deluxe grill and griddle for that as well. So
they were really good.
So lots and lots of things you can do on this. All right, guys. If you have any questions, send me a message. My daughter is 14. She sleeps a lot. I don't know. I was like, how do you sleep like 10 hours? Like, I don't even understand.
My friend's sister sleeps a lot too.
Yeah? I don't know. I feel like you sleep all your day away, but anyways, all right, guys. Thanks for tuning in today. Have a great day. Ciao, ciao.
Ciao for now.
Ciao for now.